Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c:/. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space c: /bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type attrib space c: -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space c: /boot /bcd space bcd.olg, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.